going to see, students, illustration number 15. In that there are three partners, Shruti, Kashvi and Mary. Clear? Again I am repeating, there are three partners here, are the partners of the firm. The total balance of the fixed capital on 1/4 is 2,50,000, which you have to distribute in the proportion 2:2:1. How to find? Into 2 divide by 5, into 2 divide by 5, into 1 divide by 5. You will get all the three capital. So that you are going to show in the partners capital account 1 lakh, 1 lakh and 50,000. 1 lakh, 1 lakh and 50,000, which is a fixed capital. Clear? Which is a fixed capital. So you are going to show here in the partners capital account. In this sum, they have given two balances, fixed capital balance also and current account balance also. So you are going to make two accounts here for the partners capital and the second one as a partners current account. Now see what is there in the question. Balance of their current account were as follows. Now this is the current balance. Shruti's balance is 24,000 credit, Kashvi 18,000 debit and Mary 12,000 as a credit. So two balance, Shruti and Mary balance you have to show on the credit side of the partner's current account, and Kashvi's balance you have to show on the debit side of the partner's current account. See here students, see these two balance, 24,000, 12,000, and here the balance of Kashvi they have shown on the debit side. Clear? This one effect you are going to give. Now see what is there next. The next point you are given is 3/5 of the proportion is to be distributed in the proportion 3:2:1. Means this is the profit distribution. As we have seen in the previous two sum, in the question number 10 we have seen half is distributed equally and the remaining in the opening capital. Here they have given 3/5 should be distributed in the ratio 3:2:1 and the remaining in the proportion of their opening capital. Opening capital proportion means 2:2:1. So again I am repeating, 3/5 profit should be distributed in the ratio 3:2:1 and the remaining you have to distribute in the ratio 2:2:1. Now the next is provide 10% interest on capital. Capital means fixed capital. They are talking about the fixed capital. So you have to calculate 10% on the fixed capital. So what is the 10% on the fixed capital? 10% fixed is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh 10% and here also 1 lakh 10%. So that will be how much? 10,000 and 10,000. Clear student? Now for the Mary again 10%, if you all see Mary 50,000, 10% is 5,000, but here you can see here it is 5,600. How's that? So here in the question they have given that Mary have brought an additional capital of rupees 24,000. Mary has introduced an additional capital of 24,000 on 1/1/2017. It means on 24,000 you have to calculate the interest for only 3 months. That is the 1, 2 and 3. See here students, if we will do here the calculation, 24,000 into 10% into 3 months, 3 divided by 12. So you will get 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 3 twos are 6, so 600. And before its capital was 50,000, 10% for the whole year, that is 5,000. So 5,000 plus 600, which will be 5,600. So this is what an interest is, 5,600 in the question it is given. So interest on capital 10% directly of this, here also 10%, but for this 10% of 50,000 and 24,000 10% for 3 months, so 600. So 5 plus 600 you will get 5,600. And this 3 entry you are going to write in the P&L appropriation as 2 interest on capital. Shruti, Kashvi and Mary 10,000, 10,000, 5,600. You will write 25,600. Clear? Now the same way we are going to calculate the next ratio what is given in the question. They have given provide 8% interest on the opening balance of the current account. So you have to give 8% on the opening balance of the current account. Current account is already given in the question. We have already passed the entry in that. So 2 partners has a credit balance and 1 have the debit balance. So 18,000 8% on the credit side, 12,000 8% we are going to write on the debit side of the partner's current account, and 20,000 8% you are going to write on the credit side of the partner's current account, because the two partners are having the this is the drawing, students. Current balance is given here it is the current balance. Shruti is 24,000 8%, 18,000 8% which you are going to write on the debit side of the partner's current account. Mary 12,000 8% which you are going to show again on the partner's current credit side. Just see here, students, see, 2 partners you have interest on current account, this much 19,920, so 1,920 you are going to go right here 960. This 2 entry you are going to show in the partners P&L appropriation, interest on drawing, interest on current account you are going to write here and here, this 2. And for the debit balance you are going to show here, Keshav's balance was debit, so here on the credit side you are going to show this. And in the current account you are going to write here down immediately interest on current account C 1,440. Clear, students? Again I am repeating, debit balance of the current account, here debit balance of the current account, interest will also shown on the debit side only. Interest on current account of the debit balance will be written on the debit side only, and the credit balance interest will be written on the credit side only. Again I am repeating, credit balance of the interest on current account will be written on the credit side, and debit balance interest will be written on the debit side only, and the reverse entry in the P&L appropriation means if it is on the credit side you have to show on the debit side, if it is in the debit side you have to write on the credit side. All this entry will be written on the credit side of the P&L appropriation account. Okay, next we are going to see what is given. Monthly salary 500 is payable to Keshav, is 500 into 12, so you are going to write salary of Keshvi, that is a 6,000. Clear? And this you are going to write on the partner's current account credit side, salary 6,000. Clear, students? Salary 6,000. Now let's see the next point, what is given. So we have done this interest on capital, you have done a current account, monthly salary. Now you have to write the drawing. So 12% drawing. So 18,000, 12%, and the date is 2nd. So for 2 months only you have to calculate the depreciation. 2 and 3, 2 months. For 18,000, 2 months. For 12,000, 12% for 4 months. How 4 months? 12, 1, 2, 3. Here gets end on the 31st 3. So 4 months. 12, 1, 2, 3. And here for the 20,000, 12% for 6 months, because 10th is given. So 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. So it will be a 6 months. Clear? So now you are going to write here also interest on drawing Shruti, Keshvi, Mary 360, 480 and 1200. Now see, it is on the credit side of the P&L appropriation. Now you are going to show on the debit side of the partner's current account interest on drawing 360, 480 and 1200. And this is the drawing they have shown, 20,000, 12,000 and 18,000. All the 3 drawings are shown here. This is the balance of the drawing which you are going to give only one effect. This is also the balance you are going to give only the one effect. This is also the balance you are going to give one effect. Rest all the effect will be given twice. Clear, students? So we have seen this now. Let us see what is given here now. So we have seen interest on drawing. Mary have introduced additional capital. Now see the next point. They are telling 5% amount of net profit is to be transferred to the development fund. As we have seen in the previous sum, it was transferred to the general reserve. Same way here you are going to transfer to the development fund. But it should not be more than 6,000. It means if the answer is more than 6,000, you have to show 6,000 only. After that, you have to find the 10% commission which you have to pay to the Mary. But for the profit after getting such commission, so such commission means I told you into 10 divide by 110. Clear? Now they have given here the net profit. Here also same thing. In this net profit, they have included the interest on drawing. Actually, the net profit is 1,71,040. So you deduct this interest from that. So when you will deduct this was the balance 1,71,040. You deduct this this interest on drawing. You will get a balance which you are going to show here by profit sharing. That is a net profit you are going to write here. Clear? Now your next step will be you have to add these three. You have to add this. See, you will get this balance. From this balance you deduct this salary. Clear? You will get the remaining balance. From that remaining balance you have to calculate 5% net profit. What you have to calculate? 5%.